Mejia family consider themselves lucky. No one was home when a pickup truck plowed into their house on a mid-May afternoon. The family is having tile work done, so they are staying with relatives, and the workers were on a lunch break. Normally, Zaska Mejia's mother would be watching 3 young grandchildren here.
Well, actually, I was surprised, but at the same time, grateful that nobody got hurt severely. I mean, just the driver, and that the damages weren't as bad. Could have been worse.
Witnesses say the pickup truck was going westbound on Miramar Parkway, lost control, cut across the lawn before these cars were parked here, clipped this tree, rolled over, and plowed into this house. The family says Miramar Parkway between 64th Avenue and University Drive is a dangerous stretch of road. They say vehicles hit trees and homes frequently, and a young boy was struck and killed by a hit-and-run driver near this intersection several years ago. For now, all the Mejia Castillo family can do is pick up the pieces and move on. Wayne Roustan, SunSentinel.com.